So the unit that I have in my head is the Butta Lace, What Lace. Is Butta Unit 6, Money Piece Blonde, and has wider parting and ear to ear lace. Now I don't know about the ear to ear lace. It's not big head friendly. I had to like make it fit. Um, and it says it comes pre-plucked. I pre-plucked it. I didn't show that part, but I pre-plucked it off camera to my liking. Um, you don't have to do that if you don't want to. I mean, it looks fine. I was scared to purchase this. The one that I originally wanted to get was the Money Piece Caramel, but they were out of it, so I ended up getting the Money Piece Blonde. And I may say this, it looks good on me. I was scared because I never wore blonde hair, like never. So yeah. So the shades in this hair that they have is the 613, the Flamboyage Blonde, the Flamboyage Chocolate, the Flamboyage Mocha, Money Piece Blonde, Money Piece Caramel, Money Piece Gold, Money Piece Hazel, and Money Piece Wine. And I will leave everything in the description box below. You'll see that, you know, how I try to adjust it to my liking because it's not big hair friendly, I'm telling y'all. So for all the ones who has a big head like me, y'all just I'm letting you know it's not big hair friendly, but you can make it work though, because I like the fact that I made it work to, you know, where it looks good. I mean, it looks good to me. Without further ado, let's hop straight into the video. So I have plaits in my hair, and I'm going to be putting that into a ponytail with a rubber band. So I'm going to be using this Got to Be glue and using this brush for my edges. Now I'm taking my blow dryer and drying down the Got to Be glue. Now I'm gonna place this cap over my head to protect my hair and my edges. I purchased these from Amazon. I will leave the link in the description box below. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my Got to Be glue free spray and do the ball cap method. Okay, so now I'm taking the scissors and I'm gonna be cutting this stocking cap to the shape of my hairline. I have a low hairline, so that's the shape that I'm going for. So now I'm going to use my Maybelline Super Stay Foundation to complete the ball cap method. So I'm using a little bit at a time because I don't want to go overboard to the point where it looks extremely dark. So my mannequin been going through some things. Okay, so we have a middle part, 2 combs on the side, 2 adjustable straps, and 1 comb in the back. Okay, so now I'm going to tint my lace using the Super Stay Foundation by Maybelline. And I'm also going to use the same brush. I'm just going to do the same step that I used for my ball cap method. Now the fun part is putting on the lace. I'm adjusting it because I realized that the wig is not big head friendly. So I'm trying to figure out if I wanted to do a side part or a middle part. And like you can see the cap. And I didn't like that. So I'm just trying to figure things out. I kind of got a little bit discouraged, but then I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna, make it work. Been trying to fix the mess, get myself up out of bed, but I'm feeling empty. Maybe I need to try something else, get you out of my head. You can't save me. Waking up in this place. So I decided that I was gonna stick with the middle part, and now I'm going in with the Gatsby glue freeze spray. Now I'm blow drying it down so I can prepare it to cut the lace.
start the day yet. I just wanna stay, even if we run late.
So now that I'm done cutting off the lace, I'm going in with some Got to Be glue gel, and I'm slicking down like the baby hairs or whatever. You can see the lace. What I did is well, off camera, I cut off some more of that lace so it wouldn't be so visible. I wish I've shown that part. So I do apologize for the lighting going in and out. I didn't realize that until I started editing my video. So I apologize for that. Okay, so now I'm putting my satin scarf on my head, well, on my edges, to lay the baby hairs down. I really didn't want baby hairs, but the lace wasn't big hair friendly, so I just, you know, just put it down. And one thing that I forgot to mention is that off camera, I also added some finishing powder to make the lace less visible.
Okay, so this is the finished result on this unit. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe. And also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload more content. And as always, thank you for watching.